In this video, I will show you how to write a proposal on Upwork. Start by thoroughly reading the job description to understand the client's requirements, project scope, and desired outcomes. Pay attention to any specific instructions or qualifications mentioned by the client. Begin your proposal by introducing yourself and expressing your interest in the project. Briefly mention your relevant experience, skills, and expertise that make you a suitable candidate for the job. Demonstrate your understanding of the client's needs by addressing key points mentioned in the job description. Explain how your skills and experience align with the project requirement and how you can help achieve the client's goals. Highlight relevant examples of your past work or projects that showcase your abilities and demonstrate your qualifications for the job. Include links to your portfolio, samples, or relevant case studies to support your claims. Also, outline your proposed approach or strategy for completing the project. Explain the steps you would take, the tools or resources you would use, and any specific methodologies or techniques you would employ to deliver results. Clearly outline the deliverables you will provide as part of the project. Specify the scope of work, milestones, and timelines for completing each task or phase of the project. Provide a realistic timeline for project completion based on your availability and workload. Describe how you will communicate and collaborate with the client throughout the project. Discuss your availability for meetings, progress updates, and any questions or concerns the client may have during the project duration. Provide a clear and transparent pricing structure for your services, whether it is an hourly rate, fixed price, or project-based fee. Specify any terms or conditions related to payment, revisions, or additional services not included in the original scope of work. Then conclude your proposal with a strong call to action, inviting the client to contact you for further discussion or to award you the project. Express your enthusiasm for the opportunity to work together and thank the client for considering your proposal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.